Hello, we are ABA English Club. Today we are going to make slime and we will show you how to make it. First, we need to prepare the borax mixture. Let's add the glue to the cup. Then choose a color and put it in the cup. Then stir it well. Add 1 spoon of borax mixture and keep stirring it. Keep adding the borax mixture until it doesn't stick to your hands. Finally, we got our slime!
Stay tuned for our next science experiment.
Bye!